Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. So today I'm super excited to open some Santa sacks that I got from Lionbrand. I love a good mystery sack. I do. Mystery bag of anything, actually. I just love mystery yarns mostly. But anything, like I like to do mystery boxes and stuff. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. This came today. And I got them from Lionbrand.com, and they are $19.99. Okay, so it said in the description that if you order more than one, it's a high possibility that you will get the same yarns. I've ordered mystery boxes and Santa sacks long enough to know that 99% of the time that is true. But there's always that one time that just maybe you'll get something different on your sacks. So I'm going to open these. And I can only imagine it's probably the yarn they had on clearance, because that's usually what, you know, my Lionbrand does. I'll put yarn on clearance. I only hope that it's not a bunch of loop it yarn. Other than that, I could probably handle it. But if it's loop it yarn, I'm cool with it. I'll keep it. It's all for the mystery. It's all for the fun. Let's do this. And they're probably all going to be the same. But maybe not. That's a surprise. That's what I always like. Just maybe they won't be the same. So here's the bag they come in. The bags are actually really nice. I think the bag is nice. It's different this year. It says Secret Stash of Yarn by Santa. Lionbrand yarn. The workshop of Lionbrand yarn packed by Elf 1878. That's funny. Airmail service by Santa Claus's reindeer. The Santa's Toy Factory. North Pole Post Office Service. Nice. Well, it might all be the same, but hey, you don't know unless you try, right? Please be something good. Please be something good. Hey, it looks promising. So they didn't have any particular weight that you could choose from. You could only choose from one sack. It just, you know, you put the set. Sometimes they have like, you could choose a 4-weight yarn, 3-weight yarn, or a 5-weight yarn. But this time it was just like you get what you get. Okay, well, let's see what we got. Okay, so we got some Oh Baby organic, 100% organic cotton. Now, this is a nice yarn, but unfortunately, I can't use it because it is like a 2-weight, I think, if I remember right. But it is a good yarn, and I'm happy with that. I'll probably put it in a giveaway because I can't use very lightweight yarns because I have arthritis in my fingers. And it's very hard for me to use thinner weight yarns anymore. I can barely use a hook under a 5mm. So, I like this. This is good. Lionbrand Hometown. I love Lionbrand Hometown, and this is a very beautiful color. This is not the wool spawn. This is their Hometown. Lionbrand Hometown. It is a bulky 6, which I love bulky 6. 5 and 6 weights are my favorites, and I do love 4 too. But these are 64 yards of a 100% acrylic. I know 64 yards don't sound like much, but it is a 6-weight yarn. So you could buy these at Walmart, but I've never seen this color before. It's called Elmer City Dance. I like that. That is very pretty. I wouldn't mind getting some more of this and some of these, and I can make a big chunky cardigan out of this, or chunky pullover or something. Those are really pretty. I like those. Oh, and okay, so this is a very good sack for me. I actually adore Lionbrand's Comfy Cotton. I have made many things out of Lionbrand Comfy Cotton. And this is my favorite color that they have. Of course it is. It's brown. So their comfy cotton is classified as a lightweight 3, but it's more like a 4 weight. So I'm able to use it. And like I said, I have plenty of tutorials using Lionbrand's comfy cotton shawls, ponchos. It's a very nice soft yarn. It's a cotton polyester blend, if I remember right. Yes, it is. So that's what makes it soft. A little bit splitty, but not nothing that I can't handle. There's 392 yards per cake. That is a score of a mystery bag. I love these two a lot. And if I got more, I mean, there's a lot of yardage in each one of these. But these will this will probably have to go into a giveaway eventually, or mystery boxes or something, because even though it is a nice yarn, a nice cotton organic yarn, it's just too light. Yeah, it's a sport weight. But I do like it. I think that was a great mystery bag. I really love this, and I'm kind of hoping I get a couple more at least. Okay, let's see if they're all the same. You want to? I did get 5. They're probably all the same, but it's still fun to check and see, isn't it? Oh my goodness. It's the same. So I got 2 more or 3 more of these. Are these the same color? Sometimes so you get the same and it's a different color. We never really know. I did get another 3-pack of these. If these are 62 yards a piece, man, I'm going to need a lot of these to make a cardigan. If not, it'd make a beautiful, or a pullover, it'd make a beautiful, like, chunky statement piece, like as far as an infinity scarf or something like that. And then I did get more comfy cotton in that a beautiful brown that I love. I really love this yarn. I'm happy with those 2. I am. But are my others the same? More likely, experience tells me yes, but we'll see, won't we? Comfy cotton. That's okay. Comfy cotton. I could probably, a 3-pack of that's enough for me. Got another one of these. Gotta have to keep that, and another one of these. You know, when I put these in, when you look at this in the red bag, this blue into the red bag, it looks purple. It's so funny. I keep thinking I get a different color because it's, you know, red and blue make purple. It looks purple, and I pull it out. It's blue. Okay, that's fine. And these sacks are awesome too. Like I said, I keep these. Good to keep yarn in, store yarn in. Over there. Oh my, it feels the same. It feels the same. But I'm happy with it. I am. I'm happy with these mystery bags. I don't even care if they're all the same. Purple? No, it's blue. Same color, keeping that. So I got... See, I can't keep all these. It's too many for me. A 3-pack is enough for me to make anything I want to make with. So these will probably end up in mystery boxes, giveaways, something like that. But it's a very nice yarn. I like comfy cotton. I keep saying that. Well, here's the last one. It's probably the same, but that's okay. I'm happy with what I got. I think it was well worth it. Brown comfy cotton. Pink. Purple, purple? No, it's blue. It's blue. Okay, so that is what I got in my 5 mystery bags. Now, if I went back and ordered more, they could possibly be different, because I think they probably just have a huge pile. And then they just put different stuff. This was just, they just grabbed 5 off the pile, and they were probably all the same. That's probably what happens. I have noticed over time with Lionbrand's mystery boxes and mystery bags, sometimes if you order them like a week later, not always, but sometimes you'll get different stuff. So anyways, I think my favorite, I do, as much as I love the comfy cotton, I really do love the color of this Lionbrand Hometown. And I got, let's see, 65 yards, and I got 15 of them. I'll buy some more and add it to it, and maybe I can make a beautiful pullover or something with it. Or I could do Evelyn a pullover with what I have. I just don't think I have enough to make an adult size. Almost, but not you know, not enough. close. If I would have got a couple more, probably maybe enough, but 64 yards is, you know, it is bulky 6, but it's just, it's all right. I'll take care of that. I'll take care of it. You watch for something made out of that. This I'll keep. Others will probably go in giveaways eventually, because I can't use that much brown coming cotton. There's almost 400 yards in each one of those. 1,200 yards, a 3-pack, like I said, is enough for me to make anything I want to make out of it. So I don't need the other 4 packs, but that's okay, because I'm a giver and I like to give stuff away. So thank you all for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I know it wasn't super intriguing because it was all the same yarn, but it was still super fun to open them, and there's nothing better than a mystery box. And I want to give you a helpful hint on mystery boxes in case you do not know mystery boxes of yarn. Never buy a mystery box of yarn with the intent on getting your money's worth. Sometimes you do. Sometimes you get way more than your money's worth. And sometimes you don't get your money's worth. You buy a mystery box for the fun of the mystery, the thrill of the mystery, not with the intentions of getting your money's worth. And you gotta have the mindset that you're gonna get yarn that you probably don't like. That's just the way mystery boxes are. I've opened mystery boxes from Lionbrand with yarn that I don't like. Does that stop me from buying them? Heck no. I buy them all the time when they have them. I love them. Not just Lionbrand. I like all yarn mystery boxes. Good. I've had good ones, great ones. I've had ones that weren't so good. It doesn't keep me from buying them, because you never know. The next one could be even better than the one you got before. So it's just the mystery. You don't like, they all can't be winners, but it's still fun to do. So thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? It's gonna be a tutorial. I love you all. Bye guys, stay safe.